Hi, it's me, Kat again. So today it's about guitar tutorial. So I'm gonna show you how to play one of the songs of Taylor Swift called "We Are Never Ever Getting Back Together." It's in ever. So it has only 4 chords. So I'm gonna show you how to play it. The easiest, simplest way to play it. Chords are C9 or C, and then G, and then D sustain, and E minor. So